All right, you got to bear with me on this one a little bit because my screen's set at a real high resolution and these icons look real small. This right here is called Transmit, and I think I put it on your computer, but I put the non-working version on your computer. But it's like 45 bucks. This is a really good piece of software. What this software does, it allows you to see a server. It doesn't necessarily have to be doesn't necessarily have to be a internet server. Like, some companies have servers where you can upload the files, like large files, to the server, but this happened to be connected to cross communication. And since I am hosting ISO Change, Ernest's website is under cross communication. So this is what I have on my computer. Like I mentioned before, this is my computer, and this right here is GoDaddy's. This is on GoDaddy side, and like I said, this side has to match that side. If I open this file to do any updates, I can drag it over, see how it adds. Then once I drag it over there, it give me and say, you have a new one, you have an old one, do you want to replace? I didn't do anything, so I'm not going to replace it, but that's how that works. And like I said, would be your computer or my computer, and this is GoDaddy, and this right here is called Transmit. It's called an FTP client, uh, file transfer protocol is what it's called, and it does other things besides all that. You could sync, you can view it in columns, you can cover flow it. You can do cover flow where you can actually look at the files. It's a pretty cool piece of software. uh, Columns, and yes, there we go. And that's how it works. And how I check is the date modified. I look at the date for 8/10, everything's okay. The time's still the same. And of course, when you build a new website, there's nothing there. You have to create a folder for it. On GoDaddy, you can create a folder, give it a name. It doesn't matter what name, you drag everything over, and these are the files. And as you notice, that file doesn't exist over here. What this file is it allows GoDaddy allows Google to use this as a search. So there's no reason for it to be over here. It just have to be on the server because this is a search file and it's just code or whatever. But that's a file transfer. You have to have one of those. You have to have the software to get your website to the internet. That's one thing you have to have. And that's about it. You can sync it. You sync the two. What happens when you sync it? You make the cool thing about building a website. If you delete one of these files by mistake, you can just drag it back from the server. The server is nothing but a hard drive. And give me a call if you have any questions on that. Oops. Right here and stop.